what criminal case is pending?
9/11/2024, my lord.
Huh?
9/11/2024, my lord. If it is there, my lord.
ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ವರದಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಇಂಬರ, ಇಂಬರ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಇಂಬರದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಡಿಸುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 10/1/2024 ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಅಫಜಲ್ಪುರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಎಸ್, 2 ಗುನ್ನೆಗಳು ದಾಖಲಾಗಿ ಘನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಗುನ್ನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಂಡ ವಿಧಿಸಿದ್ದು ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
ಹೌದು, ದಂಡ ವಿಧಿಸಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ನಿಗಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಠಾಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟರ್ ತೆರೆದಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ನಿಗಾ ವಹಿಸುವ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಸದರಿ ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟರ್ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ opening the rowdy sheeter and closing it?
Yes. But that is, my lord, any, my lord, activities, my lord, illegal activities, my lord.
That is that though in both those criminal cases, fine have been imposed and the case is closed. What more remains?
Let him explain, my lord.
Yes,
sir. Total 2 cases have been registered against the petitioner.
ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು
he is associate of one criminal called.
There has to be criminal cases registered. If there are no criminal cases registered,
no criminal case pending,
then is there any other ground on which you can continue the rowdy sheeter?
He is involving in land settlement.
There has to be some case registered.
No case.
Mate improper consideration. What do you want to do? You are the Justice Dixit.
Yes, my lord. Yes, I cited, my lord, in the previous petition also. I'll make, my lord, because now this endorsement is made available to me.
Copy kodi avrige.
Yes.
There are directions issued by
yes,
Lordship Justice Krishna Dixit.
Yes.
How such a application for removing the entry has to be considered. Please go through that one.
Yes, my lord. You will pass the order, my lord. There is a direction to pass the order, my lord. Superintendent of police will pass the order.
Endorsement issue ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಬಂತು?
Will pass the order. Yes, sir. Order.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವತ್ತನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
I have the copy, my lord. I will submit.
I'll take notice for him, first respondent.
Learned government advocate takes notice for both the respondents.
Please.
Who is present today?
Superintendent of police. He only.
Kalaburgi.
Yes, Kalaburgi. Rowdy sheeter, my lord.
Rowdy sheeter.
Yes. We issued the letter to the, my lord, Sub Inspector, my lord, to comply the order passed by the Honorable Court. Thereafter, my lord, he submitted the, my lord, worthy. But issued the endorsement to the, my lord, complainant. That is also served on the complainant.
Specific direction is, my lord, given to Superintendent of Police to pass appropriate orders on representation in accordance with law.
Yes.
Not aware, my lord, whether SP is
9/11/2024, my lord, this is the endorsement is issued.
This endorsement is given by
that there are no criminal cases pending against the petitioner, but based on the ill advice of the people who are inimical towards the petitioner, his name is enlisted in rowdy sheeter. That was your contention.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is
In
found
fact,
that 2 criminal cases are pending against you.
That is 78, my lord, KP Act.
Huh?
If I am correct, my lord, that is 78 of KP Act.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಇದು 2 ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು?
Crime number, my lord, 306 of 2017 under section, my lord, 87 KP Act. And another one, my lord, 211 of 2022. That is also KP Act provision.
ವರದಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. I'm sorry, my lord, one copy.
87. 87 ಹೌದು. ಇದು 87 ಎರಡೂನು 87 ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ದಾಖಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸದರಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಘನ ನ್ಯಾಯವು ಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ 300 ಮತ್ತು 200 ದಂಡ ವಿಧಿಸಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
He requested not to close that rowdy sheeter. This is the request by the sub inspector to the, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, endorsement came to be issued.
Where is the consideration in accordance with law?
Passing
Police
down.
adhikshakaru.
ಉಪಾಧೀಕ್ಷಕ
ನಾವು ಲೆಟರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿವಿ.
This is a communication
Yes,
made by
communication.
the SP
SP to the,
to the police
Sub-
inspector.
yes, sub inspector.
So ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂತರ ದಟ್ ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ.
ವರದಿ
ಹೌದು,
ಇಂಬರಹ
ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಂಬರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಕ್ನಾಲಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರು ಇಂಬರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ by him to the.
No, but who is the competent authority to pass this order?
SP.
There is a direction to the honorable court to pass the order by the SP only, my lord. Rowdy sheeter, my lord, their level only, my lord, whether it is continued or not.
No, the SP has to call for information.
Yes, my lord, that now they
from the
return
concerned,
letter.
police station.
Yes, ma'am.
So he can call for that information. Ultimately,
Yes,
he only has to pass that order. This endorsement given by the inspector of police.
yes. Ma'am. Now they communicated to us, my lord, we'll pass the order, my lord. That's why, my lord.
The first respondent, Superintendent of Police Kalburgi, is also present before this court. Full stop. Learned government advocate has furnished a copy of a memorandum dated 10/9/2024 issued by the first respondent.
Not by first respondent.
No, no, we requested the sub inspector to submit the report.
This is sub
This
inspector.
letter is, my lord, requested to the, my lord, police sub inspector to comply the direction of the learned secretary. We intimated to him.
Issued by the Superintendent of Police, Kalburgi, to the Sub Inspector of Police, Afzalpur Police Station. Pursuant to which this endorsement is issued by whom?
Sub inspector.
An endorsement dated 9/11/2024 is issued by the Sub Inspector of Police, Afzalpur Police Station. Full stop. It is opined in the endorsement that since the petitioner has paid the fine in 2 criminal cases, namely crime number 306 of 2017 for offense under section 87 of the Karnataka Police Act, and crime number 211 under section 87 of the KP Act. It is necessary to continue the name of the petitioner in the rowdy sheet. Full stop. Next para. However, the authority to consider the application for removal of the name from the rowdy sheeter is the Superintendent of Police. Full stop. The Superintendent of Police, who is present before the court, is also requested to go through a recent judgment passed by a learned single judge this court. First page ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು. Citation.
Shri B.S. Prakash. B.S. Prakash.
In the case of Shri B.S. Prakash versus the state of Karnataka and others, in WP number 4504 of 2021, dated 22nd of April 2022, and proceed to pass necessary orders in terms of the directions issued by the learned single judge. Full stop. Next para, release this matter on 27th of November.
Please.